I was looking back at my camera roll recently, and I found this AI-generated birthday card I tried to make for a friend a couple of years ago.
Oh no, let me guess.
Yeah, I asked for something super simple, just a dog holding a balloon.
Sounds easy enough.
Right. But what I got was this terrifying, like, six-legged creature holding a floating, melted blob. And the text just confidently said, Happy Birthday.
The classic AI text scramble. I mean, we all have a happy birthday saved somewhere on our phones.
Totally.
Back then, models tokenized text so poorly it was essentially like playing a visual slot machine. The jackpot was just getting the letters in the right order.
Exactly. But today, we're diving into a stack of release notes and design reviews about ChatGPT Images 2.0.
And it is a completely different ballgame.
It really is. Our mission for you on this deep dive is to figure out exactly how this model evolved from rendering those, random trippy pixels into a system capable of actual strategic design.
The jump is just staggering. We're no longer looking at a simple image generator. It's really a comprehensive visual reasoning system now.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah.
Because using this new thinking mode, it feels like hiring an eager intern who actually researches the topic before sketching.
Yeah, what's fascinating here is that the model acts as a visual thought partner. When you use the thinking mode, the system isn't just predicting the next pixel.
It's doing actual prep work.
Exactly. It's structuring the idea, searching the web for real-time visual references, and running an internal verification pass to double-check its own logic, all before it ever shows you an image.
And holding that architectural blueprint in its memory, that explains how it handles sequential generation now.
Right?
Because it can hold context to generate up to 8 continuous images at once. You can literally ask for a 4-page comic with consistent characters.
Or a complete multi-platform social media campaign from just a single prompt. It sizes everything perfectly for different feeds because it actually understands the spatial constraints of the platforms.
Which is huge.
Yeah.
But, and here's where it gets really interesting, generating an 8-image campaign is totally useless if the typography in the ads looks like alien hieroglyphs.
Yeah, nobody wants a billboard that says Happy Birthday.
Exactly. So that forces us to look at how Images 2.0 finally solved the reading and writing problem. And it's not just English anymore.
Right, this is where the underlying tech gets a massive overhaul. Previous models treated typography as a pixel pattern to just sort of guess at,
Right.
but Images 2.0 uses completely redesigned text encoder that treats typography as structural geometry.
So it actually understands the shapes of the characters.
Yes, that's why it's finally rendering complex non-Latin scripts coherently. We're talking Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Hindi, Bengali. The language is mathematically woven into the design structure.
Wow. So combining that structural geometry with its December 2025 knowledge cutoff,
Yeah.
it can synthesize real data into localized infographics.
It's laying out information with intentional whitespace and visual hierarchy.
And frankly, seeing an AI automate that level of structured logic makes me think about how much workflow optimization is possible right now.
Right.
Which actually reminds me,
Oh, yeah.
if you're looking to integrate that kind of automation, or you need AI training or custom software development, embersilk.com is brilliant at uncovering exactly where AI agents can impact your business or personal life.
Silk is definitely a great resource for that. It really changes the baseline of what we can automate.
It really does. But perfect spelling and layout are just the technical foundation. The deeper breakthrough here is that the AI is developing taste.
Oh, the Canva example.
Yeah.
Canva's creative strategist noted that when prompted for a youth-targeted lip balm ad, the model independently added a viral on TikTok sticker to the design.
Adding a sticker independently sounds clever, but
It's clever.
doesn't that cross the line into hallucinating campaign elements the client explicitly didn't ask for? So what does this all mean? Is it totally flawless, or is that a brand safety issue?
That is a highly valid concern. It highlights how the system blurs the line between a rendering tool and a creative director. It interpreted the brief's intent and made a strategic choice to build hype.
You really have to manage it like a visual thought partner now. Establish boundaries.
Yeah.
So where do those boundaries break?
Well, it still struggles with 3D spatial puzzles. Like, if you want step-by-step origami guides or a perfectly solved Rubik's Cube, the geometry engine stumbles.
But if we connect this to the bigger picture, those limitations actually highlight this amazing new collaborative frontier.
Exactly.
The model handles the tedious layout and the spelling, freeing you up to step in and solve the actual conceptual puzzles. It elevates us from pixel pushers to true creative directors.
Precisely. The canvas is wide open for human creativity.
It's so inspiring.
Hmm.
So my final provocative thought for you to mull over today is this. Now that you have an intelligent visual system at your fingertips, one that can research, spell, and genuinely reason alongside you, what brilliant, previously impossible idea are you going to bring to life today?
Such a great question to end on.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe to the show. Hey, leave us a 5-star review if you can. It really does help get the word out. Thanks for tuning in.